Now class 9. This is class 9. Subject biology and we are studying why do we fall it? Why do we fall it? Lesson chapter 4. Why do we fall it? Why do we fall ill? We have studied this lesson and we have studied about the health, studied about the disease and studied about the types of diseases, that is the communicable or infectious and the non-communicable or non-infectious diseases, and also studied about the acute and the chronic diseases. Causes of diseases we have also studied, that is the infection by the microbes, malfunctioning of body organs, deficiency of one or more nutrients, genetic factors and the polluted environment. These are the causative agents of the diseases we have studied, and also studied about the transmission of diseases, how diseases are transferred, from one person to another person, means of the spread of the diseases. I told you about the spread through the air, spread through water, spread through physical contact and spread through the carriers. These are the main four ways by which diseases can spread, and also studied about the organ specific and tissue specific manifestations, means from any part, from any way pathogen enters inside our body and it reach into the specific region where it causes the diseases. As malaria parasite reaches by any way inside our body, by the anywhere mosquito bite, so it is enters inside our the body and ultimately it reaches into the liver and it affect on the liver and the RBC. We have studied up to here and we have also we have studied the means of the spread of diseases and all other things. So today we are going to solve some exercise. Questions, some MCQ questions are there. So first question is identify a genetic disease. First question is identify a genetic disease. Identify a genetic disease. So four options are given here. First, beriberi, A. Beriberi, and B is scurvy, and C is hemophilia, and D is diabetes. So here, now second question, which is a chronic disease? Second one, which is a chronic disease? Which is a chronic disease? Four options are given here. A. Tuberculosis. A. A. Tuberculosis. B is night blindness. Night blindness. And C is cholera. And D is rickets. Rickets. Then third, which one is not sexually transmitted disease? Third, which one is not a sexually transmitted disease? Not a sexually transmitted disease. Four options are there. A is AIDS. B is gonorrhea. And C is syphilis. And D, diabetes. So 3 questions written here. We can find the answers. So first, identify genetic disease. So here, hemophilia is genetic disease. C is the correct. Hemophilia is genetic disease. This is this is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B complex, scarcity of vitamin C. This is scarcity of the iodine due to the insulin. So one is the hemophilia is the genetic disease. Now second, you see which is a chronic disease. So in this case, tuberculosis, night blindness, cholera and rickets. So here tuberculosis is a chronic disease. The same way, which one is not a sexually transmitted disease? AIDS is the STD, sexually transmitted disease. Gonorrhea is also sexually transmitted disease. Syphilis is also transmitted disease. So here diabetes is a not a sexually transmitted disease. So in this way we can see more questions. Now you can see fourth. Now we can see the fourth question. Fourth, which one is not a bacterial disease? Fourth, we can write the fourth. Fourth, which one is not a bacterial disease? 4 options are there. A. TB, B. Typhoid, C. Pneumonia, and D. Polio. 4 options are there. TB, typhoid, pneumonia, and polio. So here polio is correct option D. Polio is a viral disease. Rest are the bacterial disease. Now see question number 6. Listen properly. Sorry, fifth. We are going to study question 5th instead of 6th. Identify a protozoan disease. Mean disease caused by the protozoa. So 4 options are there. A. Ringworm. A. Ringworm. B. Measles. C. Diphtheria. And D. Amoebiasis. And D. Amoebiasis. So here D. Amoebiasis is correct option. D. Amoebiasis is correct option. Now next see. Question number 6. Question number 6. You can see the question number 6. AIDS can be transmitted through. 6th question. AIDS can be transmitted through. 4 options are there. A. Blood transfusion. B. Pregnant mother to fetus. C. Sexual contact. And D. All of the above. Once again you listen. AIDS can be transmitted through. 4 options are there. A. Blood transfusion. B. Pregnant mother to fetus. C. Sexual contact. And D. All of above. So here all of above will be correct option. All of above will be correct option. Now next. Which one of the following is a deficiency disease? Deficiency disease. Which one of the following is a deficiency disease? A. Diabetes. B. Malaria. C. Goiter. And D. Tetanus. 4 options are there. Diabetes. This is due to not properly functioning of the pancreas. Malaria by the protozoa. Tetanus by the bacteria. Goiter. This is the deficiency disease that caused due to the deficiency of iodine in our diet. So here in this question, which of the following is the deficiency disease? I think this is question number 7. Question number 7. Which one is deficiency disease? So here goiter is the correct option. Now see next. Which is not an infected disease? Which is not an infected disease? Now question number 8. We are studying question number 8. Which is not an infected disease? 4 options are there. A. Diabetes. B. TB. C. Leprosy. And D. Typhoid. Once again listen. A. Diabetes. B. TB. C. Leprosy. And D. Typhoid. So here diabetes is the correct option. Diabetes is correct option. Now next. Which one of the following causes Kala Jar? Which one of the following causes Kala Jar? 4 options are there. A. Ascaris. B. Trypanosoma. C. Leishmania. And D. Bacteria. So 4 options. Once again listen. Which one of the following causes Kala Jar? A. Ascaris. B. Trypanosoma. C. Leishmania. And D. Bacteria. So here Trypanosoma causes the sleeping sickness. Ascaris causes the ascariasis. And bacteria causes so many bacterial diseases. And so here Leishmania. Leishmania is the correct option because Trypanosoma causes sleeping sickness. And so here Leishmania will be correct option. Now next. Which disease is not transmitted by the mosquitoes? Which disease is not transmitted by the mosquitoes? So listen you. Options. Dengue. A. Dengue. B. Malaria. C. Brain fever or encephalitis. And D. Pneumonia. Once again listen you. Which disease is not transmitted by mosquitoes? A. Dengue. B. Malaria, C. Brain fever or encephalitis, and D. Pneumonia. So here pneumonia will correct option. Pneumonia is not transmitted by the mosquitoes. So few questions are there. You can write the answers of these questions. These are the short answer type questions. First, name a disease transmitted by the bite of an animal. So few more questions are there. Very short answer questions. So first question, name a disease transmitted by, very short answer, number 1, name a disease transmitted by the bite of an animal. By the bite of an animal. And second, name 2 diseases spread by mosquitoes. Name 2 diseases transmitted by mosquitoes. And third question, right? Name 2 diseases caused by fungi. Question number 3. So now question number 3. Name 2 diseases caused by fungi. See question number 3. Name 2 diseases caused by fungi. And next, name the causative agent of malaria. Name the causative agent of malaria. And next, define communicable diseases and give 2 examples. Define communicable diseases and give 2 examples. And one more question, define non-communicable diseases and give 2 examples. Define non-communicable diseases and give 2 examples. And give 2 examples of acute diseases. Give 2 examples of acute diseases. And next question, give 2 examples of chronic diseases. Next question, give 2 examples of chronic diseases. And next, last question, name any 2 diseases transmitted through vectors. Name any 2 diseases transmitted through